The future of prosthetics is happening now. All over the world, in the labs of scientists working to create everything from 3D printed, biologically matched organs to neurologically powered robotic limbs. Right now, scientists like Dr. Hugh Herr of MIT and Dr. Michael McLaughlin at Johns Hopkins are striving towards building arms, legs, and other limbs to so closely mirror the human body that you can tell no difference until you see the prosthetic itself. In his TED Talk in March 2014, Dr. Herr gives an incredible quote: "A human being can never be broken. Technology is broken. Technology is inadequate." His entire lab focuses on how electromechanics attached to the body and implanted inside the body are beginning to bridge the gap between disability and ability, between human limitations and human potential. Dr. Herr has his own disability in that both of his legs are amputated below the knee, and he sees the quote above as, he says, "a call to arms to advance technology for the elimination of my own disability and ultimately the disability of others." Some of the most interesting research is attached to the neural side of prosthetics and to those scientists that are trying to create tools that will help assist those with injuries or diseases that affect their brain or nervous system. Advancements like that of Kathy Hutchinson, who in 2011 was successfully connected neurally to a robotic arm by researchers at Brown University, fuel the ideas of scientists like Dr. Sam Musalem. Musalem runs the Neural Prosthetic Lab at McGill University, and with his team is trying to figure out how to properly install and connect to the proper neuron transmitters that will help to enhance the lives of someone with cognitive deficiencies. In his paper, Cognitive Control Signals for Neural Prosthetics, he says that there is a potential that goal signals that they find can be used to operate computers, robots, and potentially vehicles. The extreme future comes in the form of uploading one's consciousness, like we see in Neuromancer. However, this technology is still many years away. Scientists first have to come to understand the human brain and how it works before it can even be considered. There is a project called OpenWorm that is working on simulating all of the features of a tiny roundworm, a relatively simple organism, including their neural function. While they have mapped and partially simulated the function for a neural circuit, they have yet to understand how neurons and synapses and their connections equate to an extensive range of behaviors. This begs the question, if they are having trouble understanding a creature with a much smaller neural capacity than our own, how soon is mind mapping going to happen for humans? Ray Kurzweil, director of engineering at Google, predicted that mind uploading would be available by 2045. But while many transhumanists and futurists believe this prediction, they have the incredible task of understanding the human brain before we can truly comprehend all the possibilities it has to offer prosthetics.